The vaccine doses for all the adults from May 1st. Yes, that's true. This is by far the biggest news we have seen in the recent time. According to the latest announcement by the Government of India, every individual who is above the age of 18 will be allowed to take vaccines from the May 1st. So I would urge everyone to take the vaccine as soon as possible. Hi there, my name is Hitesh and I welcome you all to Daily Market Updates by Trade Brains. So in the major announcement, the Government of India has made an announcement that the vaccines for all adults will be available from May 1st. It is the responsibility of each and every state to make sure everyone who belongs to part of the group gets vaccinated. And all the groups who are above the age of 45 who have been vaccinated so far will be given the second dose of the vaccination. This surely is bound to lift the mood of everyone who is concerned in these times of gloom, and we see more positive news coming in the market in days to follow. In the second news, which is not so positive, India has now been added to the list of UK red list of countries from which the entry is banned for non-residents. Anyone who has travelled to India in the last 10 days has been banned to travel back to UK. And even the visit of UK's Prime Minister Boris Johnson has been postponed. He was scheduled to travel to India on April 26 to meet the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And the third important news that the Rahul Gandhi, that is the senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, has also tested positive for COVID-19. He is said to have mild symptoms, so he has urged everyone who came in contact with him recently to take all the necessary precautions. Now moving on to the most important update, that is the daily market updates. So the market actually ended in red. Although it started on a positive note, all the important indices were trading in green throughout the day. But as we reached near the closing of the day, we saw market shifting momentum and it actually lost a bit of ground. It wasn't deep red, but it has come to those levels which are actually becoming the point of inflection for the market. Any movement above or below these levels makes a tune for the market, and the market is likely to react to it. And the top gainers for the day were Dr. Reddy, Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance. And the top losers of the day was Ultra Cement, HCL Tech and HDFC. And all the facts and all the number crunching has been done using the data provided on portal.tradebrains.in. And please visit there and make use of all the services which they provide. Now, what made the market move? Although the market actually closed near the yesterday's close, but there was a lot of price action today. So what are the factors which made the market news? So the biggest factor is still the rising concern amongst traders regarding the COVID. Although the government made an announcement that the vaccine is available for everyone above the age of 18, but it has not yet uplifted the mood of the market. The market did start on a positive note, but actually couldn't sustain there and came back and ended the day in red. So what is the agitation among the market, or what is the thing that traders are fearing? It is simply because the number of cases in India are actually still on the rise. The number of cases are not coming down, and we are still having more than 2.5 lakhs cases on day-to-day basis, which makes the total number of cases in India beyond 1.5 crore over the whole COVID duration, which is actually a large number. Even some countries' population is not that much. Now, and the other factor which made the market move is that options trading expiry on Thursday. Yes, option trading expiry has a larger implication because even the call option buyer or the put option buyer or the call option writer or the put option writer tried to push the market towards bullishness or bearishness, and which is why we see tussle between buyers and sellers. If you look at the overall option chain, and if you see the open interest shifting also, the range of 14,000 and on the upside the range of 14,600 looks like the range within which the option expiry on this Thursday is likely to take place. And now looking at the technical outlook, this is the daily chart of Nifty. Now there are three important points which I marked here. First is the trend line resistance coming from the upside. Then we have support here, and then we have second level of support on the downside. Now the market did open up, tried to go up, but couldn't sustain above 14,500 levels. We had talked about this level yesterday also, that this level will be very important, and in line of expectation market struggled there and it closed near or closed little below the yesterday's close, which is again a sign of negativity, and we could see some negative momentum coming in the market. And if the market opens below some more 14,250 levels, we could see next levels of 13,600 be tested in the market. And for an up move to be valid or a market to go up, market has to convincingly trade about 14,500 levels. So these levels become important levels for the market. I thank you for your patient hearing, and if you like our video, please comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe the videos. Thank you so much.